still making oh man. I don't think I have cufflinks. Hi sisters! I'm just joking, guys. Very different video today. As you guys can see, I'm very out of my element right now. I'm in a bathrobe. I'm in the guest bathroom. Usually when I'm in the studio, I'm just in straight presentation mode. So, yeah. Today or tonight we have a black gala or black tie event, and it's a very last minute event. I didn't know I was supposed to go, or I wasn't even invited until now. So I have to work with what I have, and I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not really prepared for these type of events in terms of like the attire and everything that goes into it. But after doing some digging, I think I'll be good, you know, especially compared to who I know that will be there, and like the city that I'm from. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna pull up and like clip on ties or something. But anyways, this is like a little get ready with me video, and yeah, so let's start with my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is not done. I have very coarse frizzy hair, and you know, so lately I've been avoiding oil-based products. So today I'm gonna be using this thick hair cream, texture cream by P & Pedro. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. Everything in this video that I show you is not sponsored. This is something that they sent me a while ago. I've been using it because it does so well against like my frizz, and it just looks like a natural, it just looks natural whenever I style it, and you can restyle it so many times, but I'm just gonna use it as a pre-styler. And since this is a black tie event, I kind of want it to look like I put effort into my hair. So I'm gonna throw on this Layrite right here, this pomade, which has a super high shine and a very strong hold. So I think I'll be okay with that. But yeah, I don't know, like these, I feel like you guys don't want to see this type of stuff. You know, me getting ready. I really have no interest in watching other influencers do this stuff. But yeah, all right, so once like the hair is pretty much towel dried, I just dab a little bit of this on. Just spread it. And I'm not a hair guru by any means, guys, so don't judge me. And also, I don't really have so many crazy products, like so many hair products, you know. I feel like nowadays, like, I don't know, there's just so many products for everything now. Now there's like there's an aftershave ball cream, an aftershave, like, I don't know, a bump cream for your balls after you finish shaving, and then a ball powder. Like, fuck, man. It's like now your balls, now there's like a whole skincare for your balls now. Anyways, here we go, blow dryer, little round brush, here we go. Oh, shoot. Okay, so this is my hair after blow drying it with the P & Pedro stuff. As you can see, it's very soft, very pliable still. So yeah, but the next part, I throw on the Layrite. Man, guys, even though I don't look like I'm stressed or anxious, I am, man, because dude, this is so last minute. Everything was last minute. I even gave myself a little haircut on the sides because it was so last minute. And I'm also breaking out a little bit due to, you know, abusing caffeine a lot lately and not getting enough sleep. I guess I should have listened to those top 7 mistakes men are making in 2022 or whatever the hell they're saying, to drink more water. Anyways, so there you go. There is some shine going on. I'm not gonna put too much because this does have a strong hold. I'll let that dry on its own. Already moisturized and did everything, so I'm gonna try to cover my little zits. I have this Strix pen. Again, nothing is sponsored here. Shout out to John from the Cavalier. He actually gifted me this personally at Men's Luncheon. So John, if you're watching this, which I highly doubt you are, thank you. So yeah, it's like a very subtle concealer. It's not like I'm putting makeup on. Oh, I guess like the Hey Sister intro was appropriate since I'm kind of putting makeup around. I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna go to the studio, get dressed. By the way, guys, go easy on me with the outfit, man. I told you I'm not prepared. You know, many preferences. My personal style preferences has changed throughout the years, and this is something I had stored in my closet for many years that, you know, I just have to work with it tonight, man. It's kind of a bummer, man, because, you know, black tie, that's something exciting, you know, that's something that, you know, you really have to put your best foot forward, and, you know, to go about it like this, it kind of like, oh, freaking hate it, but whatever. To the studio. I feel like I'm stressing myself out more by making a video because, one, I'm not prepared and I'm running all over the place trying to find whatever works, and two, you know, I'm trying to make content at the same time, so excuse me if the video is all over the place. But here is the tuxedo shirt. I had this for like 3 years or so, never worn it. I think it's gonna fit a little bit tight, snug, but it's what I have. I'm gonna make it work, and to help loosen up the fibers a little bit as well as make it look a little bit sharper and cleaner, I'm just gonna, you know, steam it a little bit. Alright, let's throw this on real quick. Little snug. Still making oh man, I don't think I have cufflinks. Alright guys, I'm back. Found some cufflinks. I mean, these were the only ones that I could find, these little golden ones. Whatever, I'm gonna try, like I said, I'm doing what I can here, guys. Give me a break. But anyways, I was looking through my accessory box and I found these silk suspenders. I got these at a thrift store for like $2 or something, made in England. I don't know. I'm gonna throw that in the mix. And let's just throw on the bow tie. Jesus, I don't even know if I remember how to tie a bow tie. Whatever, we'll do it right here. Ugh, I wish I had a mirror right now. Okay. Not doing it with a mirror in front of me. Huh. Bow tie's looking good. Pants with the suspenders. Throw these on. Alrighty. Braces on. I was a little worried that the pants weren't gonna fit, but no, they fit. Okay. What's next? Shoes. These are what I'm working with, these velvet slippers with a skull on them. That's all I have really. I think I got those at DSW for like, I don't know, like 10 bucks or something with my rewards account, whatever. Gonna wear that. And I guess the finale is the tuxedo jacket. This is what I'm working with. Let's throw this on. There we go. So I'm gonna roll like some B-roll footage of me like putting the whole outfit together, and just for you guys to get a clear view of everything. And yeah, studs. This shirt didn't come with the little stud inserts, so I'm gonna use these little button covers. I have them in like different colors and black and blue. And what I'm gonna do is, for the first 4 buttons, I'm just gonna just stick them right there. Oh look, see, they attach. This is like the first time, you know, these actually came useful, because I really don't use little accessories like these. that wraps up my little get ready with me video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was all over the place, but if you guys can do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.